Hello YouTube. For Christmas, look what my parents got us. Yes, I'm not an only child, which is retarded. And I don't know why I'm including that in this video. We got a charger. Lights up when you charge it. The Wiimote, and just put it. You just put it like that and plug it in for charging. So yeah. And we got The Legend of Zelda Twilight Princess. Awesome game. It's Super Paper Mario. Really hard to figure out. And of course Wii Sports. And another Wiimote nunchuck. Here's the Wii. There's the Wii menu. Right now we just have Wii Sports inside. And since I'm lucky enough to have a router in my house, I've downloaded a bunch of stuff. There's Every Revolt's channel. The poll that says, when you chew gum, after you're done chewing gum, what do? You swallow it or spit it out? I personally spit it out. Here's the Wii Shop channel. The photo channel, I haven't downloaded the update. And here's the Me channel. And so Christmas for the next few hours. It sucks that it comes once a year, so I just thank Mom and Dad especially who went to great lengths to get this. And hopefully I can get Guitar Hero 3 for the Wii. That'd be awesome. Alright, see ya.